When publishing a picture using the Instagram app, I'm going to show you one technique that can either make or break your picture. Select the plus sign at the bottom in the middle. Then you're going to select the picture that you want to showcase. Now, as I select my picture and Instagram pulls it up, it shows it in a square form. That's totally fine. But for this picture, it is a head to toe shot. So I want to make sure and show the complete picture. By doing that, I'm going to select the left bottom corner. There's a little icon that has 2 arrows. Select that. And now it has changed the format, but still it's cropping the feet off. This drives me crazy whenever I see that the feet have been cropped off. You have to complete the photograph. To me, this is an incomplete photograph. So I'm going to complete it by gently sliding the image up. Did you know that you can do that? You totally can. So if it comes here and it looks like this, just have your fingers slide the photo up a little bit. And in this case, I'm going to make it match from head to toe. So there's not a whole lot of room on the top and there's not a whole lot of room on the bottom. Now, this is a complete picture. And I can hit next and then write my caption and complete this post. Don't be one of the people that leaves your crop where you're cropping off the feet. It's incomplete. Don't be incomplete.